What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I want to talk about 800 subscribers and a big thank you message from me.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So today we just crossed over 800 subscribers, kind of a milestone for me. The channel's growing. I had a very nice pace. I was, kind of hoping I'd grow a little faster this year than I have, but I'll take it. Okay, I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you that has joined. Especially recently, I've been getting a lot of new subscribers in the last couple of weeks here, and just want to kind of give you guys a quick update. I don't want to take a lot of your time on a Saturday. Hope you're having a great day, and I do appreciate you watching this. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and we're going to continue to grow on here. So. Just a few things I want to update you guys on and kind of let you know what we're going to do going into quarter four here. We are almost into quarter four. October 1st is Monday. Number of big things have recently happened. I got a really awesome contract for my big New Year's event in Chicago. So I plan on kind of doing a case study for that for you guys on how we're going to do the marketing to fill up a venue of 2,600 people from basically scratch. That's a very valuable case study that I'm going to do for you guys over the next quarter. We do have a campaign that is on fire right now. Let me pull it up here for you guys. If I can get the work. One of my monitors has been acting a little bit goofy, unfortunately. And here we go. Okay, so yeah, every once in a while, like my right monitor just decides to go off, and I have to unplug it and plug it back in to get it to work again. It's very irritating. I don't know why it's doing that. It's odd. Might have to check the cables. Anyway, so take a look at this campaign, guys. Okay, today is the 29th, so I'm not BSing. This is my account, Surreal27. I've showed this before on this channel. And look at yesterday and today. I mean, we had a little glitch here on Thursday. My media buyer was setting up some new ads, and for some reason, Facebook, paused all his ads. It was like a glitch in their system. And so Thursday was actually, we were losing money pretty bad that day because of what happened. There goes one of my lights too on my new lighting system. Interesting. And anyway, so we got it back on track. Yesterday we lit it up pretty good, 3,300, and then we're already at 3,200 today, which is Saturday, which is typically for this offer we're running a very good day to run. Saturday and Sunday are very profitable. So one of the things to take note about this campaign is we started running enough volume over the last week where we were able to hit up the affiliate network, which is ClickBank in this case, and we were able to ask them for a pay bump. So it's funny, my light just went back on. Interesting. So we got a pay bump on the offer, and this isn't a super profitable offer, by the way. It's not like we're crushing it. We're not making $3,200 in a day, but we are making some profit. And now with this pay bump, it was a 10% bump, and they said if we can get even more volume in the next week or so, they'll bump us up a little more, maybe up to like 15% from the get-go. So 15% is like pure profit. Okay, if we're already profitable and they add 15% to our bottom line, that's like free money. Okay, so that's where we're at right now with the ClickBank campaign we're running. We are running some heavy volume on the cards, and my one media buyer has this campaign rocking. Is pretty excited. I think we're going to make this one into a big one here. So I'll keep you guys updated on this campaign. I'll start showing some secrets here and there. I am going to put together, I did make a course in April, and I never released it because the stuff, Jesus, light keeps going on. Because the stuff we were doing stopped working because of what happened with Mark Zuckerberg in Congress and whatnot. And I wasn't going to release a course of stuff that wasn't working, but I do have a course. Stuff that we did put in that course is actually working now. And we'd have a few changes. We're going to add some case studies and a couple modules in there to show you guys a few tweaks that we did, but it was literally a few tweaks to make all the difference in the world. So we are crushing this campaign, and I hope to share some more stuff with you guys here in the near future. And this light just continues to go on and off. It's crazy. I don't get it. And so we'll keep you guys in the loop. Update on FBA. Amazon, we do have a number of products on the way from China. I have one that just hit the warehouse. I'm going to probably be listing that one this weekend. And then I have two that are going to hopefully get out before the Chinese holiday. If you guys don't know, China has a holiday from October 1st to October 7th. It's some kind of national holiday, and pretty much nobody works for a week. So I hope my stuff got onto a ship before that holiday hit. But if it didn't, oh well, it is what it is. So I do have some. This will be my second product just hit, and then my third and fourth product on the way. And I have my VA working on doing a lot more research for us, and hopefully I can get a few more products into the mix before the Christmas season. And then obviously I'll be putting together a case study and probably a course and whatnot, showing you guys exactly what we're doing, how we're making profit, and the whole shebang. It's a pretty interesting business model. What kind of sucks is that you find something and it takes about a month at least for it to actually get here and then get into the warehouse, and then you got to go through and start selling it, which is a whole other business basically. So that's FBA. We'll keep you guys updated on that. Going into the final quarter here, I do have some more time finally. I'm able to devote some more time to the YouTube channel here and some of the stuff like FBA, the affiliate, the New Year's event, obviously, the Halloween event. And I actually had some time to rearrange my desk. I put up better lighting. Hopefully I look a little better. I'm not so white in the in the things. I'm actually going to be working on getting a better lens. And hopefully this light that keeps going on and off becomes less of an issue here. It's an expensive lighting set, so I don't know what's going on there. But I've been trying to improve everything. Every little bit every step I take is try to be a little improvement on the lighting, improvement on the YouTubes, improvement on the FBA, improvement on the affiliate. Over time we're going to get really good at all this stuff, and I'm going to take you guys along my journey. And hopefully you guys will get something out of this, and maybe I'll inspire somebody, and hopefully somebody along the way will pick up some knowledge that turns into some valuable knowledge for themselves. I'm certain that some of the stuff I put out on this channel is working for somebody, because I do strive to give a lot of value, and I haven't even asked for anybody to buy anything from me, and it's been almost a year I've been putting out videos. So occasionally I put out an affiliate link of some sort, and a few people have bought on the stuff like the follow adder and some of the other affiliate products and stuff that I've posted. But again, I haven't sold anything of my own that I've put out yet. So it's coming. It's just a matter of time. I'm not going to put out anything that's not 100% working and I don't feel comfortable doing. So in conclusion, guys, this next quarter, stick with me here. So thank you. Why is this light going on and off? Stick with me here. I'm gonna be putting on a lot of quality stuff for you guys. I'm gonna keep you updated on everything I got going on, and hopefully just adding a ton of value. Again, before I even think about putting anything out there to the world, I want to make sure that you guys are, see that I'm a genuine guy, and I'm only really here to put value on the table and make sure you guys are, learning a lot of stuff, and hopefully can take your game to the next level. I mean, it's a lot of work. Don't get me wrong. Putting out a video, I've been doing like 3 to 4 a week, sometimes 5. That's a lot of work, and then there's things like setting up the studio, getting better lenses, running FBA, running affiliate campaigns, setting up a New Year's party. All this stuff is very time consuming. I end up working a lot of hours, and sometimes it's hard to take what I'm doing and then show it on a video to you guys to actually add value. But I'm going to do the best I can. My other business is seasonal, and it's going to be slow in the next quarter, so I should have a lot of time to really help you guys along here. Hopefully you guys will get something out of this channel, and I would appreciate you guys sticking with me. And go ahead, and if you are learning something here and you do appreciate these videos, I would appreciate a comment, because it does keep me motivated. And so go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's anything else that you'd like me to show you guys, I'd be happy to. So just let me know in the comments, and I'll strive to give you guys the best presentation I can on that particular subject. And if you're new to the channel, we do, there goes my light on and off, there you are. Goofy. We do a lot of stuff about entrepreneurship here, traffic, making money online. That's what this channel is all about. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. And go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll welcome you to the channel. And if you could like this video, move them up. I'd appreciate that. And go ahead and bang that notifications bell so you can catch the next video next week as I keep you updated on this campaign and all the other great stuff we're doing. I am the Marketing Meathead. Thank you again. Happy Saturday. 800 subscribers. We're coming at you. 1,000. Talk to you later.